Yes, I'm quite into cooking. I usually spend the whole weekend doing grocery shopping and preparing my favorite dishes. And I think that it's a great way to unwind and recharge my batteries after an intensive work week. It's a good idea to eat out when we don't really have time or when we want to celebrate our birthday, for example. But I always opt for a home cooked meal. I think that that kind of meal is more nutritious, and when we spend time making our own meal, we can experiment with different recipes and save up some money as well. Not at all. Contrary to popular belief that men are not good at cooking, I'm quite confident about my cooking skill. I can make quite a few delicious Vietnamese-style dishes from vegetables and meats, such as chicken, pork, and beef. Not really. I only learned how to cook when I turned 15. When I was little, my mom didn't allow me to cook since she worried that I would hurt myself with knives and it would be dangerous for a kid to handle fire alone in the kitchen. But I did help her pick vegetables in the garden and wash them. It goes without saying that my mom was the one who taught me cooking. She's the best chef in our family, and I bet that no one can ever reproduce the taste of her own dishes.